So I'm back here with another review. This time it's the Hansshow products. I've had quite a few of them over the last year and a half. Some of them I've kept, some I haven't. And I'm going to go through some of them, let you know what my thoughts are on them and why I have them and why I don't anymore. And then we'll go through it. So let's start with my most favorite item. My most favorite item is the swivel screen. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look at that one, and then we'll go on to the next one. Okay, so like I said, this is my most favorite Hansshow product for the inside of the car by far. What it has done is it's lowered the screen a bit, so I have a little bit more space, because I think the other one was about here. It was a little bit higher. You do lose the viewing of the cell phones, but you're not supposed to be looking at them anyway, so I'm not concerned about that. What I like is this. I'm able to turn the screen back and forth and then down and up. So you see that? I can just turn it. And I normally drive with it face to me, so it's more straight, and then I can get to things. I usually kind of grab the screen and then touch like this. Like if I'm going to go navigating, I can go like that, or I can just click there. So that's one of my favorite add-ons, and I would highly recommend anybody that gets a screen, because it's like that. It's kind of looks odd. It's kind of straight. This way, it's right at you. You don't know how nice it is to have this until you have it, and so I normally leave it like that. The next item is the seat adjuster right here. So I can move the seat back and forth, and what that saves me from having is to reach over there if I need more space back there for people. So I do use this car for Uber, and so normally I have this up pretty well all the way forward, and then I move this seat up. Now you do have to watch for this space right here, because I have at one point hit the headrest to this and I cracked this glass, so this mirror got busted, and so I had to buy a new one of these. I think the total cost was pretty close to $200 for that part. Anyway, so that's why I do that. I get all that space, and then my passengers that get in the back seat, they have all the space. And if I do need to move the seat forward because there's an extra person, I just go ahead and move this back. And I can adjust the back part too. So that's super easy. So that's the second item that I really like. Now, there is a bit of controversy when it comes to the yoke steering wheel. I can tell you, I love the yoke steering wheel. It was very nice to have, because if you turned it upside down, it opened up all this space. It was easy to get in and out. The problem I had was my wife wasn't comfortable driving the car with the yoke steering wheel, so I took it off. I did keep the Alcantara airbag. I really love that. And all the carbon fiber stuff, I kept all that. But I had to go back to this steering wheel because she just wasn't comfortable driving the yoke steering wheel. But if I was only driving this car, then I would have that as well. I would definitely be driving with the yoke steering wheel. So the next thing I don't think I want to take out of the car either is this mini screen. I've had multiple screens here. I love this one. It's small. I mean, look at the size of it. It's like the size of a small... So this is the iPhone 8 right there. So give you a little idea how big it is. It's about the same width, a little bit thinner. But it gives me all the stuff I need. Like when I'm driving, I can see the speed limit. I can see over here the tire pressures. it gives me definitely some feedback, so I love this thing. So that's another product from Hansshow that I won't get rid of this. I've tried different screens, some of the nicer, bigger screens with more functionality, but I just love this one. It really is a very nice screen. Another function that, there's so many Hansshow products I love. This one here, so if you don't know, when you go to open up your Frunk, you press the button and it just unlatches it, and then you have to lift it up. And then when you close it, you're supposed to do the two-handed thing around the T, to protect the hood from being damaged. Hansshow has a Frunk open and close function, and so I'll go ahead and I'll open it right here, and you can see it opens. There we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on that button again, and it closes perfectly. So this one is, again, one of the favorites I have. Unfortunately, Tesla has made a change in their software in the past 6 months where you can open and close it from your phone, but now it only allows you to open it from your phone. You can't close it. So the only way to close it is by pressing this button or the button within the Frunk. So I'll go ahead and we'll go and open it up. So it's open. And that button down there, that's the button you have to press. So I'll go ahead and press it. And then it will close. Those are a few of my favorite products from Hansshow. They do have sales all the time. Right now they have a Christmas holiday special. Be sure to use my discount code BC Tesla Guy. We'll save on everything that you purchase with them. And I'm sure there'll be more sales and more products to be reviewed in the future. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.